let's do this in 2 hours. Let's see. Oh, man. What's up, Stir? What's up? Getting off the bus at 4 a.m. We don't start probably until 6, if not later. Here we go. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Oh. Clay, come show us that spiffy Stormtrooper shirt. Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh. Hold on. We have to just go over here. Because seeing it with somebody else is good enough. Oh my goodness. Look at the C-3PO march. Large sacrifice by some of our at the start line here. So this time we would ask that you take a moment of silence for all of those who have fallen in service to our country. And the home of the brave. Woo! All right. Woo, woo, woo. How's your anxiety, Stir?
Better now. What?
Said, how's your anxiety, Stir? What about you, Claire? Are you nervous?
Or not?
Into the darkness. Yeah, Clay. Hey, Bryce. Stir if you're back there. Good luck.
May the force be with you.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Where's where you going, buddy?
I know. I was like, "Where's Sterling?" I lost you.
I'm going a little bit faster. This is a little bit faster than normal pace for me.
All right, well, do what you got to do.
And don't tell him the story.
The 1 mile marker. Just 12 more times. No. Little Cloud City feel. What? Ooh, got a little Cloud City feel there. I don't know, maybe it's Return of the Jedi. I don't know. Well, it's Return of the Jedi music with Empire Strikes Back dialogue. Thank you. Play disappeared. Whoa! What's up, dog? Hey, man. This is a pretty cool thing. All right, mile 2 coming up. Kind of towards the back of Animal Kingdom. Well, you have to get as much shots as me so we can know when I crap out. Whatever. Mile 3 coming up. 1 more to go. Woo! Oh man. It is definitely humid. Yeah, more humid than I ever ran in. Oh, it's getting a little tight. The back entrance, we're about 3-point-something miles. 3.5. We're doing good. There he is, Lando. Oh. I think I got just like part of a gel up my nose. Quick. I need a channel cam. Oh, there we go. What's that?
Sturgis passed mile 4 a bit ago.
Oh, okay. You texting him back?
No, not yet.
Welcome to Pandora.
On the opposite side too,
So tight. Wrong movie. All right.
Hey, the lights are coming away from Pandora, you could be finished.
All right. Yeah, Clay.
Hey, dog.
All right. It's really hard to run through with all these people. Woo! We're doing it.
And believing.
I'm believing, Clay.
You'll be overrun by rules and discipline. The first order of the first order is to shave, sir. You can grow a beard in the resistance.
Right this way.
Yeah. We have loose grooming standards in the resistance.
Dude, these guys are rad. Those dudes out.
I'm gonna find one up here to get Nick Field.
Okay.
Distance 5, 4, 8 miles. Pace 9 minutes.
I was like, I don't know if Clay's gonna.
You know, like,
These guys are legit. Look at that. Are those Look here, there's Kira. Looped all the way around the back, hitting the front. And the line starts for Animal Kingdom already.
when does it open?
I think 9. I don't know. Sometimes they open it a little early for Pandora. We got the little sunrise. That line though. So humid, my glasses are totally fogging up. We're hitting mile 7 here. Woo. We're doing pretty good though. I'm feeling good. Down cuckoo, as my son calls him. Used to call him. We're gonna pass Blizzard Beach on our left here pretty soon. Maybe it's in a mile, I have no idea.
Got Blizzard Beach there. Woo. Just past mile 7, so people like ordering McGriddle and then cheering us on. All right. It's been nice having this wide road. It looks like that's coming to an end. Big old group. Trying to see if Clay and Stir show up here. Nope.
Yeah, there she is. Where? Right there. Nope, that's not her. Never mind.
All right. Gonna turn on the jets again. Here we go.
That is a beautiful.
This little speeder bike thing back there on the main road here. Only dropped the GoPro once. It's hanging out of the back of the fit belt. We ran all the way to that lake. Oh man. Gonna end up somewhere over here. Trying to make it to Hollywood Studios now. Dang, that line. Oh. Oh. Oh, this is good. Look at all these stormtroopers. Stormtrooper. Stormtrooper. Yeah, we're not really though.
What happened?
But you know, to be honest,
Oh man, it's hot.
we love you, Mikey!
Heck yeah. Here we go.
Gonna run again?
Alright, mile 12 coming up pretty soon. And we're gonna put it away and we'll see you at the finish line. Oh. Thank you.
Find a stop for water. Doing awesome, everyone. You got this.
It's too good over there to pass up filming. Oh. 20K, baby. Here we go. Here we go. All right. Get that frozen line. I've got my RoboCop knees on. We finished. Let's see what. Whoops. There's the metal. How'd it go? Move along. Deduct points. Oh really? No, I'm kidding. That was. Can I get? You guys want ice? Yeah,
You got it over there.
Well, the food's over that way. Good job.
Hey, let's take a photo real quick.
Take a photo, Clay, really fast.
With your phone.
My phone?
I can do it.
All right, I'm ready to.